Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth earbud setting guys. In this video guys, we will talk about guys how to unpair Bluetooth earbud to our Samsung phone. Guys, you want to unpair guys your Bluetooth earbud to your phone, so guys you can unpair. And guys, now let's see how to unpair Bluetooth earbud to our Samsung phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So guys, now let's see how to unpair. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, click on your connection settings and guys click on guys your Bluetooth setting. Then guys you can see guys we have paired this bit on TWS guys. We want to unpair, so by right side guys you can see this icon, so guys tap here. Guys you can see guys your unpair option, so guys we will click on this unpair option. Then guys it will unpair, and guys when you will pair guys you will have to again pair, and guys you will have to click on your pair notification. Then guys you can use it. So I hope friends you've understood how to unpair Bluetooth earbud to our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.